Here's a continuation of your song with a strong flow and meaning while keeping the vibe you're going for.
Looking for a better way, trying to make it out the struggle. I've been on the grind, trying to build a bundle, trying to play the game like a cult. Man, this shit don't really matter, my God, it's so difficult. Late nights, no sleep, just chasing a vision. Stacking every penny, yeah, I made that decision. Trying to keep my faith when the world feels cold, but the pressure keep rising, got me losing control. I've been running through the fire, but I never get burned. Took some losses on the way, but I live and I learn. They don't see the pain, only count what I earn. But I'm destined for more, yeah, it's my turn. Looking for a better way, searching for a sign. Fighting through the storm, trying to realign. Every step I take, gotta redefine. I know I'm built for this, I ain't left behind. I've been moving solo, trust is hard to find. Fake love in my face, but I read between the lines. I done seen them switch up when the money got tight, but I bet on myself, I ain't losing this fight. Through the highs and the lows, I keep my head high. I know blessings coming, gotta trust in the sky. Every setback's just another lesson in disguise, and I ain't slowing down till the day that I fly.
Would you like me to tweak anything or adjust the style?
Tweak anything or adjust the style. Late nights, no sleep, just chasing a vision. Stacking every penny, yeah, I made that decision. Trying to keep my faith when the world feels cold, but the pressure keep rising, got me losing control. I've been running through the fire, but I never get burned. Took some losses on the way, but I live and I learn. They don't see the pain, only count what I earn. But I'm destined for more, yeah, it's my turn. Through the highs and the lows, I keep my head high. Like love in my face, but I read between the lines. I didn't see them switch up when the money got tight, but I bet on myself, I ain't left behind. Through the highs and the lows, I keep my head high. I know blessings coming, gotta trust in the sky. Every setback's just another lesson in disguise, and I ain't slowing down till the day that I fly.
Would you like me to tweak anything or adjust the style?
Would you like me to tweak anything or adjust the style?
Good morning, traders. Welcome to NQ Scalper Cat Live. If you're just tuning in, welcome. I am going to be trading the Nasdaq futures, sharing my workflow, my process. Before we get into anything, quick reminder, as always, this is educational content, not financial advice. I'm sharing my personal trading system and how I manage risk. You are responsible for your own decisions. Please trade small, protect your capital, and do not risk money you cannot afford. Okay, so we are another early session, 8:07 on the clock, and we got an 8:30 unemployment claims coming in soon. So let me get to the charts, and we will catch up later. Yeah, I don't see too many clues on what might happen this morning, aside the fact that we are in a overnight uptrend. We have 3 high volume nodes on the 4,000 tick chart. Will price come back into one of these before heading up? And what else did I notice? I noticed we are at currently at a resistance level here. Breaks above it. We have more resistance here, and then we have final resistance up. Well, not final, but we have more resistance above. So we got 932 resistance area. We have 984, 1600 resistance area. And we're currently at 869 resistance area level. So we are up against resistance. This report, let me find this calendar. Unemployment claims, 6 minutes and 40 seconds to go. They're expecting an increase, 215K. Oh, an increase in unemployment. That's right, 250K more unemployment claims. They're expecting a higher number since the previous. So don't know what that's going to do. Hasn't been doing much lately, affecting the price much. And then we have the Empire State Manufacturing Index, and we have the Philly Fed Index, Manufacturing Index. So those two might surprise. Let's just sit and wait. Right now, I do not have any pattern or clear or clue that might tell me for sure. So we're just going to have to wait and let this market develop. In the meantime, You have 40 seconds.
Stop field. Stop field.
Yeah, hard to short this overnight bullish run. Don't like the pig tops, but the news is favoring the dollar right now. Let's look at the dollar. Yeah, dollar spiked up after that news.
Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop field. Stop field.
Holy smokes, that was nasty. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck. What just happened there? Ran to the bathroom 2 seconds, and this is what goes on. Holy crap, look at all this. This is horrific. Ah, fuck. All right, more work for me. So, yeah, that's what happens when you pick freaking tops or bottoms. I just, damn it. And it tapped into it and didn't push just a little bit more. Wow, look at this. Huh? Took a liquidity sweep and kept going. This little, ignoring the dollar totally. Volatility is at 1594. It's at a low level. But the Nasdaq is just doing its Nasdaq thing. I think it's going to turn around soon, but I don't know anymore. I should not have been shorting the tops. I should not be anticipating reversals. This is what happened to me yesterday. Yesterday I did good, but yesterday I was focused on reversals, not the trend. Right now I got the bullish widget telling me it's going long. The chart is telling me it's going long, but I'm getting into this mental state where I want to find reversals like automatically, and it's a bad habit, you know. Right now I should just be trading the trend. That is it. Trade the freaking trend, not not put on so much leverage and take a walk to the bathroom. Holy smokes. All right, guys, so let this be a lesson to me. And right now I'm tempted to jump in short right now because I know it's going to do it to me. This is definitely going to do it to me. I feel like such a fool this morning, breaking my own rules that I created, that I wrote down in a book and said that I will never do this, I will never short the tops. Especially in a bull market. Yeah, man, definitely woke up on the wrong damn side. What a horrible way to end my week. 2,000 something dollars. I don't even want to look at it. It's nasty. It's a nasty. Had a whole bunch of contracts. Look at this, 250, 770, what else? 8 something over here. Just so, holy crap. It's a few $1,000s that I just got smacked down with. Smacked down to reality. My old self reality. This is my old self trading. Look at this. Bullish. It's bullish. Don't be shorting a bullish market. Oh boy, anybody out there listening to this, watching this, if you are, look at this just go up. Hold on a minute, I'm looking at the wrong chart. You guys are looking at the wrong chart. Here we go. This is what's happening. So if you're here watching me suffer, doing stupid shit, and you'd like to subscribe, please do so. I don't know why you would, but yeah, I do have my moments where I'm really well disciplined. I'm very well behaved and trading in flow and everything's going smooth. And then there's just really, really stupid moments like this morning, a few minutes ago, where I'm going against the trend. I'm putting on heavy size. I'm over leveraging. And it's like I haven't woken up yet. It's like I just did this first dumb shit in the morning, and that's it. It marked basically the rest of my day and week. It finished off my week beautifully. I was up a few dollars. Now I'm down in the hole to finish this week. So please don't try this at home, kids. Not the way to do this, you know. But we all struggle with this. We all struggle with discipline. We all struggle with boredom. We all struggle with the same thing every day. You know, I've been doing this for, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. And you still get bored. You still lose it. You still have brain farts. You know, it still happens. As you can see, especially with me. Jesus Christ. I'm done trading. I can't right now. I can't get myself to place another trade. It's just not gonna happen within the next few minutes. I'm gonna take a little walk. Let you guys enjoy a little chart action. Let's go to primary. Let's put you on. Put you guys on the let's see, let's go to the 2-minute chart. Nah, 1 minute is good. Put you on the 1-minute chart. Actually, I sit at 15, so we're gonna sit at 15. Sorry about that. Okay, I will be right back. No excuses, no excuses, no excuses. I did wrong. I screwed it all up. Bad decision, bad reaction, bad impulse, bad everything. Just, I really screwed it up. The frustration is percolating out of my. I'm pissed, but I'm pissed because that was the stupidest thing I could ever done, and I held it. I just watched it. I ran to the bathroom 2 seconds, but it just stayed there. I was over leveraged, and I can't believe this happened. I can't believe it happened. I just can't believe it happened right now. Because I was doing so well. I was doing so well. Oh, the anguish. Okay. I'm back. I'm okay. I'm okay. A little beat up. You know, feel like a total loser right now. But it is what it is, and will this ever happen to me again? Probably will, but I don't anticipate it, and I don't hope for it, and I don't want it, and it's gonna be my mission again. This hasn't happened to me in a while. I have not gotten this smackdown this hard in so long. Oh boy, that was a big one. Luckily, these are evals, and it always happens on my 250K account. The 50Ks I treat with micros, and I treat differently. Because I learned my lesson with the 50Ks. I used to blow them up immediately, because I used to trade, the NQs, the minis, not the micros. And I do 2, 3 contracts sometimes, normally be 1, but sometimes I go in there 2, 3 contracts. Over leveraging, and because you don't have 50K, you have 2,000 drawdown. Over here in the 250K account, I believe the drawdown's like 5,500, 6,000 with Apex. And so I get into the 250K and I relax because I got enough drawdown to mess around over here. Let's swing for the fences. Let's pass this eval quickly. And if you're not with it, if you're not awake like I wasn't earlier, if you're not awake, you're gonna do some stupid shit, and you're gonna have to start over again, and then starting over again is the frustrating part. Because every time you get smacked down, you got to start all over again, climbing up that freaking slope. And it's so hard, especially if you do stupid shit. And I'm ranting, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm ranting. Just not too happy about what just happened. And if you witnessed it, you probably, cringing yourself. What did this guy just do? Why am I watching this? Jesus, let's switch channels. Well, you got to learn the good, the bad, and the ugly in this business. It all comes together. It's packaged in one freaking box. So when you want that big money, you got to deal with all this other anguish that goes with it. So, if you're not tough-skinned to deal with this kind of loss and this kind of re-struggle and this starting all over thing, you probably want to do something else. Maybe invest from afar. Have someone else do it. Hire a professional. I am not a professional. I am not an educator. I am not a licensed educator. I'm just sharing my life experience and what I've learned in the past, 6 years of learning all this stuff. I started with candlestick charts and supply and demand and, trend and this and that. And, you start playing with that, and then you get into different strategies. You do strategy hopping. I think everybody does, because you want to know what's out there. You want to know if there is a holy grail. So you strategy hop, and you do that for a while. You do that for a long time, and then then you stop losing so much money. You know, in the beginning, you got lucky 2 or 3 home runs. Then you start losing money constantly. And then you get to a point where you just break even for a while, you know, maybe a year breaking even. And you're learning new strategies, whatever. And then you settle into what you're comfortable with and what your style is. So I developed this, you know, volume profile, supply and demand, 21 EMA, you know, use as indicators, you know, just all these tools and strategies to survive the game and to, you know, get your your win rate up. And today was just one of those freaking bad mistakes, you know, like walking into a construction site without a helmet on, and some dude just walks by with a freaking, you know, 2x4 and smacks you right up in the head and says, "Hey, where's your helmet, you dumbass?" I used to be in the contracting business. Anyway, guys, I want to shut up now. It's gonna be 9 o'clock soon, and let's reset. I'm gonna reset. I'm gonna go do some meditation, but you know, 20, 30 seconds. I was gonna say no, 2 or 3 minutes, 5 minutes. I'm just gonna take a walk really quick. I'll be back in a few minutes. Appreciate y'all, anyone listening to this. Enjoy. All right. A quick reset for anyone just joining us. Welcome to NQ Scalper Cat Live. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures this morning, sharing my real process, real levels, how I manage trades in real time. This stream is educational, not financial advice, by all means. Always use your own judgment and risk management. Right now we're in a wait mode. I got key levels marked. I'm just waiting for price to talk to me. You know, come into a zone. If I'm quiet, it just means I'm focused and looking for setups, waiting for market to develop. And just chilling. So if you're hanging out, grab a coffee, grab your green drinks, whatever keeps you dialed in, and just chill with me for a little bit until something develops. Appreciate it. It's 9:08. We got a few minutes to go still for cash market open. New York session. All right, guys. Trade well. Don't over leverage this morning. It is Friday. If you're up for the week, hold on to your gains. Really quick for those wondering what's going on with the price levels that I have on the upper levels bar. To the left in red, we have the key resistance up above 26,162. That's a key resistance area we've been banging up against the past few months. We have the overnight high, which is still developing, 25,921. We have the previous day value area high, sitting at 25,610. That's from yesterday. We have the previous day point of control, fair value, at 25,494. Then we got the prior day value area low at 25,442. The overnight low at 25,421. Big overnight range there. And then we have a key support key support at 24,669. Those are the levels. We had at 8:30 this morning unemployment claims that came in hotter than expected. We had the Empire State Manufacturing and Philly Fed Manufacturing, which came in as well hotter than expected. So the Nasdaq and the S&P volatility sort of liked the Empire State Manufacturing numbers. As long as we're selling, things are still going well. Tomorrow, no economic or earnings report for tomorrow, Friday. Why am I thinking today's Friday? I'm so sorry. Today is Thursday. It is not the end of the week yet. Tomorrow is still another day of trading. Man, I was super asleep this morning. Okay. So we're still waiting. We're still waiting for something to happen. The market's very just chill. Let me go down to a 30-second chart to see if there's any micro moves here. No, I'm not gonna trade off the 30-second. No, I'm not gonna trade right now until I see something absolutely A+. I'm all out of trading bullets this morning. So from top right, NVIDIA, I'm looking at NVIDIA. It's showing pre-market. It's a couple of $1.50 above yesterday's price, closing price. So there is some NVIDIA buyers in the pre-market. Nasdaq and S&P have been bullish all night. In the after hours, volatility is floating downward. Gold spot just bounced off a resistance, 1 hour, supply zone. Supply level, support area. Oh my God, I'm so tired. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just, I've been going around the clock this week. I'm trying to get all my affairs in order, all my work done. I got a lot of work to build this channel and build the community, so there's a lot of work involved in this. This is not all fun and games. For anyone interested. Okay, so let's get back to this. NVIDIA is, pre-market, it's looking up, looking bullish. S&P looking bullish, Nasdaq looking bullish. Bitcoin also was jamming up yesterday, was moving up to the upside. The dollar remarkably is bullish. Yeah, so that's what that is. Tradovate. We got less than 12 minutes for more cash market open. And I'm going to stop talking. Quite choppy price action. Be careful. Whoever's trading right now, be careful. Not sure what this market wants today. Overnight, it wanted to go higher. Right now, it wants to chop everybody to shreds. I think it bounced off of this. I mean, that initial green candle bouncing off of this rectangle box here on the left. This guy here, little bounce here. This initial green candle here, strong, but then on the minute, nice rejection wick off the 21, off of this node. Do we continue lower? I think so. We might reach deep into this node. Nvidia keeps going. It gapped up. Now it's at 188.08. Nvidia. That should help the Nasdaq continue higher, right? The dollar continues strong. Oh boy. The volatility index might be creeping higher. Nvidia keeps going. 188.44. Dollars at 99.489, 491. Here goes the Nasdaq playing catch up to Nvidia. I don't trade Nvidia. Oh, look at that. Unbelievable. Nasdaq is bullish, my friends. Nasdaq is bullish. I am sitting on my hands because I am done with the amount of trades I can take and the amount of risk that I allot myself daily. If anybody watching, tuning in right now, I traded this morning at 8:30 the unemployment claims and Philly and New York manufacturer indexes, and some reason I was going short. I was right under, let's call it a double bottom, and I got liquidity trapped, and I took a quick walk to the bathroom. When I came back, it was over. Negative 2K. So I'm done for the day. I'm not trading. I'm just observing, watching, hanging in there, explaining what I see. And if there's anything you can get from what I'm saying, you know, more power to you. Got it like a double top here on the 4,000 tick. Are we gonna break that double top today, or are we gonna continue down? Write your thoughts in the comments in the chat, and I will I'll take a look, see. I'm going to be calling it pretty soon. We're coming up on the 10 o'clock hour. I like to stay till 11, 12, but not today. I'm all out of trading bullets. No more trades for me. I'm done. My 6-shooter is empty. So good luck to everybody else. Keep going. Focus. Don't over leverage. Don't do stupid shit. Have a great trading session rest of the day, and be back tomorrow, okay? And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, hit the like button. That helps me out. Anyone listening, appreciate you. All right, hasta la vista.